There's one thing I've never been able to optimize, it's my sleep. I went to bed at like 5 a.m. I think it's because I had a bunch of tea and boba last night before bed. Yeah, I'm just not optimized in that way. Super Bowl Sunday today. That should be fun. Brushing my teeth takes me forever because I have to floss my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my retainers, brush my tongue. Doing that, I usually get a little bit of toothpaste in my beard. So I specifically make sure that I do all of that before I hop in the shower because I like to finish with like my clean beard and not have to wash it off after I've already showered. Invisalign, optimize your teeth. All right, so I obviously don't always, oh, it's kind of echoey in here. I did things today in a different order. I obviously cut out the shower scene because that'd be a different kind of video, but I put a lot of thought into my morning routine. There's so many steps, including cleaning my retainers, doing my hair, putting on moisturizer. I just got over a really crazy sickness, so I have a bunch of pills and a bunch of medicines that I don't usually have as part of my routine. But every single day, I'm constantly putting all this thought into the order that I do things. I have things kind of laid out in my bathroom, that way I can work from one side to the other. I have 2 sinks and they're kind of used for different things. Every day I'm making little tweaks and just experimenting with what makes the most sense and to do things in what order. And the whole purpose of doing all that is just to make sure that I'm doing things the most efficient way and trying to save the most time. But you tell me, is that optimizing my morning routine or is that just kind of OCD? I don't know. I enjoy doing it and I don't expect it to ever change. I know a lot of people think about their day and think about the things that they might have done the day before or things that they have coming later in the week, maybe that they're stressed about or maybe that they're excited about. But for me, when I first get up in the morning, I check my schedule and I think about what I'm doing for the day. But once I start my routine, I'm thinking about my routine and nothing else. And then once I'm done with that, I move on and start getting back into my daily routine. I was sick for a whole week, and as of yesterday, I finally started feeling a little bit better. So I made time for something I've really been wanting to do, and that's to put LEDs behind all my equipment. So check out my whole desk setup now. I'm pretty happy about it. I I put LEDs behind the TV, behind the monitors, behind the desk. There's still a few more things I want to do. I want to get some stuff in and behind my computer. But I think it's really coming together. I'm super excited about it. Every day I'm in this constant struggle because I'm always trying to figure out what I want to do during that day, because sure, I have work and I have all these obligations, but then I have all these other goals for myself. I always want to make sure I work out, I want to make sure I'm eating healthy and trying new cooking recipes and stuff like that. So those are always sort of like staples of my day. But then I have this long to-do list of just things I want to do. I really want to stain this table. I've been wanting to set up the LEDs in my room for a long time, and I have all these other plans for things I want to do. I also try to force myself to relax and take some time off. I'm trying to be so productive, and I feel so good about being productive that I never actually rest and take time for myself to just enjoy it all. So one of the things I'm constantly struggling with, and I don't know if I'm ever going to get it right, is just learning how to just sit back and enjoy all the stuff I've set up for myself. It's actually funny because now that I have my YouTube channel, anytime I make a small little thing, like I'm late for some event, everyone comes to me and they're like, wow, Brad, that's not very optimal. But one of the things I'm trying to do for myself is just let go. Don't hold myself to all these high standards. Relax a little bit and just enjoy my time. So if you're following this channel, just know that I'm not perfect. I have all these things for myself that I'm working on, but I hope that you can try to optimize your life in education and learning and skills, and also optimize your life in just enjoying and being happy and spending time with the people that you love. Because what's life really about, really? Alright, well, thanks for watching this week's video. See you guys next week. Make sure you click subscribe, click the like button if you want to support my channel. Follow all my referrals, follow me on the social, optimize_your life, and we'll see you guys next week. Stay optimal.